Hey campers, Joe here. So I've got two dogs. Both of them have long hair that has to be cut so off. But I wanted to talk quickly about some of the hazards that happen with these long-haired dogs. Like Mojo here, he's got what we call cockleburs all over the bottom of his feet, as well as other places. I thought it might be worth mentioning to you guys, especially if you have long-haired dogs, but even with short hairs, is if you have a camper or a motorhome, to have a set of dog clippers in your vehicle when you go out camping, so that you can get out of situations like this without making the poor animal have to wait till he gets home. It's really hard to cut them off with scissors because I'm always worried about cutting their hair. You might need clippers for getting after ticks or a lot of reasons, but you know, it doesn't take up much room and it's pretty handy. Just a quick note, human cutters like this don't cut dog hair. I don't know why. I've tried it, it doesn't work. They just don't cut it. So it has to be a special one made, you know, for dogs. And you know, they're pretty quiet, they're battery operated, and you won't cut your dog. He might struggle a little bit, but here I just got one of those out real easy, and we'll go for another one. But I don't have to worry about cutting his skin like I would if I was using scissors, especially when they got loose hair and loose skin. It's about the quickest and easiest way to get this stuff out of here. I won't take you through the whole show of his haircut, but you know, you get the idea. And so keep it in mind. Maybe it's something you want to have around if you have a long-haired dog, even short-haired ones. And I'll get him cleaned up so we can back to having fun. See you later.